In this video, we are going to talk about how to start a YouTube cash cow channel top 3 niches money bag. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. For those who want to start a YouTube channel, but are having difficulty coming up with a topic idea, the following are some simple steps to demonstrate how to create your YouTube cash cow channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Find meditation scripts. In order to create a video, you must either use meditation music or a script as a foundation for the video production. You have the option of writing these yourself or obtaining them from a variety of sources. Step 2. Create a voiceover. You have the option of either reading the script yourself or hiring someone else to do the work for you. You will, however, find that, given the frequency with which you produce videos, you will be spending a significant amount of time recording voiceovers. Therefore, SpeechFlow is exactly what you've been looking for. It is a web-based application in which you can enter text and have it read back to you by a human voiceover. In addition to English, they have a selection of 27 other languages to choose from. It is possible to return it for a full refund if you are not satisfied with it within 60 days of purchase. Step 3. Download videos. In order to create videos, slideshow presentations are used as the basis for the production. In order to include images in your video, you must first locate a couple of images that are appropriate for use in your video. Step 4. Monetize. It has been demonstrated that marketing through affiliate networks is the most profitable method of generating revenue. Other than the sale of merchandise, you can use your cash cow YouTube channel to generate additional revenue. Step 5. Create video and upload. In order to accomplish this, you do not need to use a sophisticated video editing program. All that is required is the recording of the voiceover, followed by the addition of images and a few transitions to complete the project. Make sure the title, description, and tags are all accurate and consistent before uploading the video to ensure it gets to the right place. So, when people search for videos on YouTube, your video will appear on the first page of results, which is a significant advantage. You will receive more views for your video in this manner without having to put forth any effort on your part to promote the video in question. YouTube cash cow niches. In this case, the meditation field is a highly profitable YouTube cash cow channel with a large following of subscribers. There are more people searching for meditation videos on YouTube channels now than ever before, and the number of people doing so has increased dramatically. As a result, here are some straightforward steps to guide you through the process of earning money on YouTube. If you can identify a niche market for any given product or service on the internet and focus your efforts on it, you can build a sustainable and profitable business out of it. Michelle Phan, a well-known YouTuber with more than 8 million subscribers, puts it the best way she knows how, with her own words. It is the most difficult challenge a blogger can face, and it requires extensive research to be successfully completed in a timely manner. For new YouTubers who are unsure of which niche to pursue or which YouTube channel ideas would be appropriate and profitable for them at the outset of their careers, the same is true. Number 3. Life hacks. With the YouTube videos, you can sit and watch it for hours on end without becoming bored. Whatever the case, the important thing is that you are learning something new that will most likely be useful to me in a couple of days or weeks. A feature of these videos that you'll notice right away is that they aren't excessively long. In other words, you could easily put together a list of the 101 best life hacks, but it would be too boring to watch and even more difficult to remember. As an alternative, the videos are divided into groups of 5 to 10 life hacks, each of which is less than 3 to 4 minutes in length. Aside from that, there is less talking and more demonstration of the material being taught. If you're resourceful and have a few tricks up your sleeve, you should think about starting a life hack channel of your own. You can talk about airport hacks, shopping hacks, money-saving hacks, daily life hacks, and a variety of other topics in this section of the forum. How to monetize. YouTube AdSense. YouTube channel examples. Bright side. Number 2. Tech and gadget reviews. Have you ever purchased a piece of technology without first watching dozens of review videos and reading a few hundred review articles on the internet? It's possible you haven't done so yet, but you value making well-informed decisions, and purchasing gadgets is a decision that necessitates extensive investigation. Another popular niche with a lot of potential is providing product reviews for technological and gadgetry products, which is another popular niche and competition. If you are good at explaining complicated features and expressing your opinions, starting a review channel is something you should seriously consider doing for yourself. How to monetize: affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, YouTube AdSense, YouTube channel examples, MKBHD, Mrusathibos. Number 1. Unboxing. Unboxing channels are one of the most popular types of YouTube videos, and people enjoy watching them for a variety of reasons, including the fact that they are entertaining. It's gratifying to watch someone open a package and talk about what's on the other end. On literally thousands of channels that are doing the same thing as you can find views and subscribers to your channel. For those of you who are good at discussing features and who are proficient in video production, this will be a lucrative niche for you. However, not all unboxing channels are solely concerned with gadgets and smartphones. Some also include toys, food packs, and shoes, to name just a few examples. How to monetize: affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, YouTube AdSense, YouTube channel examples, unbox therapy. Justine, what are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know what you think in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.